Emyelezweni walo wephasika ibandla lamaRoma Katolika kusifunda Bishop esikhulu saseGoli lithi umoya wephasika kumaKrestu kumele uze noguquko.
It should in effect influence our daily lives, our work, our ethics, our morals. We should really earn the name Christian as we call ourselves. And if we're truly a Christian country, then there should be more goodness than there is evil.
Kusenjalo ibandla i-Eternal Glory Church eGoli lithi ukukholwa ngesinye sezisombululo ezinseleleni lelizwe elibhekene nazo.
We are crying about corruption. We are crying about gender-based violence. I believe that faith is one of the great sanitizers. We are making disciples. We are teaching people how to walk in the principles of love, principles of faith, giving people hope. So in every single segment of society, everyone gets to benefit because of what Christ Jesus has done and also what he's doing in the church and he's doing through the church.